You may remember Di Tomaso mainly from the late 70s and early 80s with the awesome Pantera. I mentioned a few weeks back on Motorshed Monday that they were introducing a new car and unveiling it at Goodwood. However, at the time, speculation was that it was going to be a rework of the Pantera. Why else buy the Di Tomaso name, right? We had no idea what they were planning, and we have instead got this incredible looking thing. Reminiscent of perhaps the Ferrari P4 race car from the 60s, it's actually supposed to follow on from a Can-Am race car Di Tomaso produced in the 60s in partnership with Carroll Shelby. It only took part in one race, Mugello if you're interested. Its memory, however, lives on in this latest car, the P72. This car will have a production run of just 72 cars, so extremely exclusive. The Di Tomaso brand now being owned by the same people that also revived Gumpert, now called Apollo. It has the same carbon fibre chassis as the Apollo IE, so obviously we're not talking mainstream supercar here. This is a super special car made only for the super rich. Estimated to cost in the region of £675,000, which, don't get me wrong, is an obscene amount of money. However, it's a lot less than you'd expect for this type of super limited run car. Final specs are still being kept under wraps, but we can see it here running and it's quite something for your ears to behold, so take a look. As you may have gathered from that clip, this car caused quite a stir. I have to say that it really doesn't come across on video how amazing this car looks. It stands out like a sore thumb. If it's anywhere around, your eyes are instantly drawn towards it. The first time I noticed it at the festival, I was walking through the countless classic cars on the Cartier style Elux lawn, and as soon as my eyes were drawn to it, I immediately had to give it 100% of my attention. It has that effect on you. It is quite simply stunning. I'm not going to say it's the greatest looking car ever, but it has the wow factor, and coupled with the way it sounds, it certainly looks like a great package. Its styling and opulent interior might not be to everybody's taste, but 72 buyers are sure to be out there for this. I hear deposits have already been taken. Not me, I can barely afford a deposit on the valve caps. I can't wait to see more of this car. It was definitely in my top 3 highlights from this year's Festival of Speed. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.